Right, traders, we may have a second entry long continuation of the failed second entry short forming here soon. I'm thinking about this because the uptrend needs to get new extreme. Let's see how strong the signal bar is going to be. We bounce off the trend range lows. We're heading to the trend range highs. Uptrend is new high. Right, traders, we took the second entry long. It is a continuation of the failed second entry short. I'm scalping 6 contracts for 7 ticks because I had to use stop order entry and keeping my stop loss 1 tick below this main important swing. And this is a new low first entry short, second entry short failure, which was tempting, but I didn't take it because the signal bar, the body wasn't fully close to the exponential moving average. And this downtrend didn't have new extreme, so this is a problem. But there are 2 attempts to sell and 2 attempts by the sellers to create the second leg down. But uptrend is new high. We're bouncing out the range rolls. So for this reason, I'm thinking bullish, following the trendline rule. But I waited for the second entry long because it pulled back a little bit close to the EMA. And it's not full at the EMA as well, but the risk is so small. I'm basically confident that if I'm going to have a losing trade here, it doesn't really matter. So let's see if we can get the scalp here or not. Uptrend is new high, second entry long, continuation of the failed second entry short. So all the bulls who bought failed second entry short, they're still in their trades, which is good. And it gave you new high first entry long, second entry long. We're bouncing my next order, but you need to tick through. Come on, 1 tick through. Alright, traders, and our target was filled. So I'm going to move my stop loss to break even because anything we make is just a bonus. And hopefully it makes sense what's happening here. I'm going to scroll back and I'm going to discuss the overall structure. We started with a very healthy trend range. There was a downtrend with the break new low, failed second entry short reversal back into trend range. Then following the trend range rules, we want to take the failed breakout, break a new high. Most breakouts will fail, following the trendline rule as well. Then we had long area without a setup. I didn't see a good setup, but we have broad 2 legs down. Okay, broad 2 leg a pullback. Remember, we're not looking for broad channels like this inside of a trend range. This is simply too broad for trend range, especially once we have clean 2 leg a pullback. So you're thinking most breakouts will fail back into the trend range again, looking for failed second entry short. But I couldn't really pull the trigger because it was a little bit too stacked. I wanted to see it forming above EMA. It's got a little bit congested, but context is great for failed second entry short. You kind of need to trade against the common sense because common sense is telling you, look at the market go lower, I need to keep selling here. No, but you need to apply the range rules. You're going to go higher, same thing here. Look at the market go, I cannot sell. No, you need to sell because you follow range rules. But if you want to take the high probability setup that works 8 or 9 times out of 10, you can do what I did. I waited for established channel even inside the trend range. We had a break. I was looking for a new extreme, and this is a second entry long, new high first entry long, second entry long, continuation, failed second entry short. So you're really combining many things here. Great high probability setup. So because we already created a new extreme here, I'm going to trail it really tight. This way I will lock in at least 2.5 points. And if there's going to be splurge in momentum, then it will give us this target right here. No problem, runner is just a bonus. And this is very slow trend range, so we're mainly scalping. Not really big of a chance for catching a runner unless you're fading the breakout. You can see if you fade the breakout here, you can get massive runner. Same thing to the upside. But once you're waiting for established trends like this, your chances of catching a runner are a little bit smaller on such a low volatility day like this. Okay, we are very close to getting around 5 points worth of a runner. We need 2 more takes to get us out here. Come on. We reached a new high, but we need a couple more pushes higher just to get the runner here. And we tick through. So it was a great setup with quite a decent runner to these range highs here.